Hi, welcome to Digital URM. In the previous video, we learned that cybersecurity starts with mindset. Today we take the first real technical step of the course, understanding what a computer is and how it works, because you can't protect what you don't understand. For many people, a computer is just a screen, a keyboard, a mouse, and some programs. We use it every day, but we rarely think about what happens inside. And when we don't understand that, cybersecurity feels confusing or intimidating. In reality, a computer is a machine that does three very clear things. It receives data, processes it following instructions, and produces a result. Everything you do follows this cycle. Writing a message, browsing the internet, watching a video, the computer is receiving data, executing instructions, and delivering output. There is no magic here. There is logic, structure, and rules. To make this process work, there are three core components. First, the processor, which executes instructions. Second, RAM memory, which holds temporary information while you work. And third, storage, where data is saved permanently. From a cybersecurity perspective, this matters a lot. Malware runs on the processor. Attacks exploit memory. Stolen information lives in storage. Nothing happens by accident. When you understand how a computer works, you start seeing security differently. An attack is not abstract. It is a process that runs, a file that opens, an instruction executed without permission. That's why cybersecurity doesn't start with antivirus software. It starts with understanding what runs, where it runs, and why. This is the foundation for everything else in this course. So who controls all of this? That's where the operating system comes in. Windows, Linux, and Mac OS are not just programs. They are the bridge between hardware, software, and the user. The operating system decides which processes run, which users have permissions, which files can be accessed, and what each program is allowed to do. That's why understanding the operating system is essential for cybersecurity. And that's where we'll focus next. In this video, you learned that a computer is not a magic box. It's a logical, predictable system, and therefore, a system that can be protected. In the next video, we'll dive into operating systems, starting with Windows and Linux, and explore why they are so important for cybersecurity. Thanks for watching. Understand, defend, grow.